Hi, I'm Helia, mobility coach with Njoie, and I'm here to move through how to loosen up your upper back with the MFLEX. Upper back pain oftentimes comes up in a lot of different ways. It comes out in neck pain or headaches or shoulder pain or chest pain. There's a lot of different things that come from upper back pain. We usually store a lot of our stress in our upper back as well. So from this to always looking at our phones and our computers, we're really straining our back a lot throughout the day, every day. And overuse and overstress leads to chronic pain over time and also lack of mobility. People have a hard time raising their arms over their head over time because their shoulders become more and more rounded from back pain and from their daily use of their body. So MFLEX is here to show you how to loosen up your upper back pain a little bit to reduce your pain in life. So first we're going to adjust MFLEX to kind of match your shoulder blades a little bit. Usually for men that's a little bit wider, for women it's a little bit more narrow. I'm actually going to be right in the middle of the two, and I'm going to place it down underneath my shoulder blades. I'm actually going to lay down on the side next to it first and roll on top of it. Now again, you can use a block or two to support your neck or even a couple pillows. And I want you to find a spot either underneath your shoulder blades or even move down with your body a little bit to hit above your shoulder blades, or even hit a little bit higher above, so right underneath your traps. All of this area is considered the upper back. Whatever area you feel the most tender, I want you to stay there. And then I want you to position it properly so that you're really hitting it in the right space. Also, if you're on a yoga mat, it's really helpful because the MFLEX won't slide. This floor is pretty grippy, so we're good there. When you're here, I want you to either bring your arms forward and take deep breaths here, or maybe even lift and lower your arms to get into that upper back area. Once you're here, I want you to take a few deep breaths to really relax, and remember, surround the MFLEX with your muscles. Take 2 more deep breaths here. And to get out of it, you're gonna roll onto your side and sit up.